Good, good morning, my dear students. I hope that everyone is good and safe at home. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the last poem. Huh? And after this, there will be four lessons. Again, three lessons are there. But the poem is last poem. That is, I remember, I remember. By in seeing this picture, so you can imagine that I remember in the sense here the person or the author or the poet remembering, recalling his childhood memories. Okay, I remember the house where I was born. Here the poet is saying, I remember and I remember that where I was born. Okay, that little window where the sun came peeping in the morn in the sense morning. I remember that where the sun used to come from the window and used to get me wake up in the morning. He never came a wink too soon. Okay, so he never came a wink too soon in the sense a wink is nothing but a very small duration of time. So sun arises daily in the morning, the same time, okay, with the same smile, same spirit, all those things, and he never late. He never get late means he will not come late. He will come on the time. Nor brought too long a day. Hmm? Means so he will go in the evening and he will not make much time for waiting all those things. But now I often wish the night had blown my breath away. Okay, so now I am young. Okay, now I am grown up. Now I am saying that let the sun come and go as early as possible. But now I often wish the night had blown my breath away. Hmm? So means let the things, let the God come and go into the place because I cannot tolerate some problems are there, I cannot tolerate them. So let the days goes fast. Here the author is saying, I remember the house where I was born, the little window where the sun came peeping in at morning. He never came a wink too soon, not brought too long a day. But now I often wish the night had blown my breath away. So this paragraph, this stanza means that I remember the old days, I remember my childhood days where I was born, where the sun used to come from the window and wake me up. And he never came late and he never went early. He came on the time he went on time. But now I feel that I want darkness more because I want to take rest, I want to sleep more like that. Second stanza. I remember the roses red and white. I remember in the sense the roses and red white. So I just see the garden, okay, in where the roses are red colors, white colors, and means n number of flowers I used to see when I was in childhood. The violet and the lily cups. So there is where varieties of roses, hmm, lily, rose cup, and all. These flowers made of light. So these flowers made so much of light in the sense. So whenever I see the flowers, I used to feel very happy that they all are always smiling and all. But now, so the thing is that with this only in my childhood I used to wake up, I used to feel happy, and I used to spend my time in the garden. The lilies where the robin built and where my brother sat. Okay, I love him on his birthday. The tree is living 8. So lily is nothing but a bush, a small tree with purple or white flower with a sweet smell. So here, so there was a special in our garden that the lilies flower, that means the color, the small tree with purple or white flowered with a sweet smell, and where my brother sat. Okay, a small tree with hanging bunch of yellow flowers. So one more tree is that a small tree with hanging bunch of yellow flower, and I used to give for the my brother birthday. The tree is living yet, mean that still the tree is there, it has grown up, giving more flower and all. Here the second stanza says that I remember the roses red and white. I remember there is a garden in home, okay, uh, before house, in front of my house. There, there are lot of trees, trees, uh, flowers are there. There, I would spend time, okay, and there are flowers of lily cup, okay, roses and all. These flower made my day. Okay, so I used to be very happy when I went to the garden and when I spent time in garden with the cleaning and flower. The lily were robins built. Okay, so lily trees were built by my brother, and the one more thing, on his birthday I have given the one more flower, that is, okay, labrum. So lilies is nothing but a bush or white, a small tree with purple and white flowers with a sweet smell. Okay, and labrum, labrum means nothing but a small tree with hanging bunch of yellow flower. So third one, I remember where I was used to swing. Where I used to sing means where I used to play and all. And though the air must rush as fresh. At that time the rose air, and that time airs used to be very easy and hard and fresh. To swellings of the wings. Swellings is nothing but here a small bird with long painted wings and tail with 2 points. So there I used to see the bird wings, uh, which are presented, which are the birds used to come to the garden, and I used to enjoy the things. My spirit flew in feathers then, that is so heavy now. And summer poles could hardly cool the fever on my brow. So now if I go to garden, there is no birds, there is no, okay, playing items, all those things. But earlier I used to enjoy playing, and I used to enjoy the colored birds, and spend time with the all that. But now I'm feeling very sad that there is no birds, okay, there is no fresh airs, all the things are now is polluted, and we are not able to see the birds and all. Then next, okay, so I just read once again. I remember where I was used to swing, and though thought the air here third stanza is nothing but I remember where I was used to swing, and thought the air must rush as fresh. To swelled on the wing, my spirit flew in feathers, then that is so heavy now, and summer holes could hardly cool the fever on my blow. And the last paragraph says that I remember the fir trees dark and high. Okay, so there in our garden there are a lot of big trees are there. So I used to get leaves, collect the leaves, and we used to play. And they are dark and big leaves also. I used to think there Slender top. Slender is nothing but thin and narrow. Here the narrow top of the fire tree means big trees leaves or big trunk I used to play and all. Were close against the sky. Were close against the sky in the sense. So if I see from the ground, I feel that they are very close or they are very close to the sky. It was a childish ignorance, but now this little joy. So I used to pull the legs, I used to pull the leaves, and I used to play with my brother and all. Now if I want to play like that, I don't have anything to play because I don't have that much of mindset free. Now I'm not free, mindset is not free, and my brother is also not with me. So if I want to play like a child, so people will laugh definitely on me. So that's why inside my heart I want to play, and inside my heart I want to enjoy. But the thing is that here I cannot ignore on the things. But to know I am farther off from heavens than when I was a boy. So now I am feeling that I lost everything in my life and all. But when I see back, when I want to go back, so there is a chances and that. So if I want to see heaven, so heaven is in the childhood. So there is no heaven in the earning, there is no heaven in the getting knowledge, there is no heaven in growing, there is no heaven in earning. Okay, so the heaven is there in the childhood only. So we lost everything, now we are living and we have to live for till our death. So I remember that I used to be very happy. Now I'm grown up, I have everything with me, and but I don't have any peace and all. So if I want to have happiness, all those things, again I would like to grow. Okay, I would like to go to my childhood. Here the last stanza says that I remember the fire trees dark and high. I used to think their splendid tops were close against the sky. It was a childish ignorance, but now this little joy to know I am further off from heavy heavens than when I was a boy. So it's a very beautiful poem, my dear friends. I would like to read once again. I remember the house where I was born, the little window where the sun came peeping in at morn. He never came a wink too soon, nor brought too long a day. But now I often wish the night had drawn my breath away. I remember the roses red and white. So I have let and the lily cups, these flowers made of light, the lilies where the robins built, and where my brothers sat. The labrum on his birthday, the tree is living at. I remember where I was used to swing and thought the air must rush as fresh. To swallow swings on the wing, my spirit flew in feathers then. That is so heavy now, and summer pools could hardly cool off the fever on my brow. I remember the fair trees, dark and high. I used to think their splendor tops were close against the sky. It was a childish ignorance, but now this little joy to know I am further off from heaven than when I was a boy. So it's a very beautiful poem, my dear friends. So here the some words are there. Let's see. A wink is nothing but a very small duration of means a short time. Brown is nothing but carried or tolerate. Lilies a bush or a small tree with purple or white flowers with a sweet smell. Okay. Laburnum is nothing but a small tree with hanging bunch of yellow flowers. Swells is nothing but a small bird with long pointed wings and the tail with 2 points. Slender is nothing but thin or the narrow. Here the narrow tops of the fir trees. So with these students I would like to conclude the topic, my dear friends. Here some questions are there. This is I would like to brief about the author. Thomas Hood So he lived in the year between 1799 in 1855. Was an English poet, author, or humorist best known for the poets such as the Bridge of Sings, the Song of the Shirts. Okay, who wrote regularly for the London magazines and okay, Athens and Punch. He later published magazines largely consisting of his own words, hmm, fairly and healthy. Hood became an invalid at the age of 49 and died in the age of 49. He has been called the finest English poet by William Michael Rosty. He was the father of playwright and the humorist Tom Hood. So, with this, students, I'd like to conclude the things. Soon, I'm going to tell the lesson of that is the template. But for you, I just would like to say that I have finished all the poems. There are only 5 poems are there. So I just have told the last poem. So only 4 lessons are left. So we'll see in the coming classes. Thank you so much. See you. Take care.